Hello, my friends, and welcome back to English Flow. I'm Alex, and today I want to share something very simple but very powerful with you. Today's topic is this: how to improve your English speaking with just 10 minutes a day. Yes, only 10 minutes. Not 1 hour, not a long grammar lesson, not expensive courses, just 10 focused minutes every single day. If you do this daily practice, something amazing will happen. Your English will start to feel easier. Your words will come faster, and you will feel more confident when you speak. This method helps many learners move from "I understand English, but I can't speak" to "I speak English naturally and comfortably." So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. Many learners believe they need long study sessions to improve. They imagine big textbooks, difficult grammar, and hours of study. But here is the truth. Language grows through small, daily contact. Your brain loves regular practice, not rare effort. 10 minutes every day keeps your brain in English mode. It helps your mind connect words faster. It helps your mouth move more naturally. And it builds confidence slowly without stress. Think about this. 10 minutes a day for 1 month equals 300 minutes. That's 5 hours of real English contact. And it feels easy, not heavy. The goal is not to know more grammar. The goal is not to memorize long word lists. The goal is simple: to make English feel natural. To stop translating in your head. To start thinking in English. To let words come out without fear. And the best part? You can do this practice anywhere. At home, in your kitchen, on a walk, on the bus, even while brushing your teeth. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a classroom. You just need 10 minutes. The 10-minute daily routine. 5 easy steps. Let's break the 10 minutes into 5 simple steps. Each step takes 2 minutes. You can do them all together or adjust them, but do them every day. Step 1. Listen. 2 minutes. First, listen to English. Choose something simple and clear. A short podcast, a short YouTube video, a short dialogue. You should understand about 70 to 80% of it. Don't translate. Don't stop the audio. Just listen to the rhythm, the sound, the flow of English. This trains your ears and prepares your brain to speak. Helpful tip: use the same audio for 1 week. Repetition builds fluency faster than new content every day. Step 2. Speak out loud. 2 minutes. Now it's time to speak. Take a few sentences from what you listened to. Say them out loud. Copy the pronunciation, the speed, the melody. It may feel strange at first. That's normal. Speaking is a physical skill. Your mouth needs training, just like muscles. Don't worry about mistakes. Fluency comes from repetition, not perfection. Step 3. Make it personal. 2 minutes. Now, personalize the language. Change the sentences to match your life. For example, if the audio says, "I usually wake up early," you say, "I usually wake up at 7," or "I don't wake up early on weekends." This step is very important. It turns English from passive knowledge into active skill. English sticks when it connects to you. Step 4. Free speaking. 2 minutes. Now speak freely. No reading, no copying. Just talk. You can talk about your day, what you did yesterday, what you see around you, your plans for tomorrow. Speak without stopping for 2 minutes. Don't worry about speed. The goal is flow, not perfection. At first, your speech will be slow. That's okay. With time, your sentences will come faster and more naturally. Step 5. Reflect. 2 minutes. Finally, reflect. Ask yourself, which words felt easy? Which parts felt difficult? What did I do well today? You don't need to write everything down. Just think. This helps your brain organize what you learned and prepare for tomorrow. Then repeat the same process the next day. Let's talk about 3 mistakes learners often make. Mistake 1. Skipping days. Fluency needs daily contact. If you're busy, do 5 minutes, not 0. Mistake 2. Waiting for perfection. If you wait until you feel ready, you'll never start. Fluency is messy, and that's okay. Mistake 3. Boring practice. If your practice feels boring, your brain won't care. Talk about things you love. Make English personal. The secret is not a magic app. It's not perfect grammar. It's not talent. It's 10 minutes a day. Listen, speak, personalize, free talk, reflect. If you do this for 1 week, you'll feel a change. 1 month, others will notice. 6 months, your English will feel natural. Start today. Set a timer for 10 minutes. I'm Alex, and this is English Flow. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.